Hey, come on in, guys. Welcome back to the shop. You're just in time. Hey, thanks for joining us. We are about to change a outer tie rod end on a 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Should be the same on all your Fusions. But we just did the tires and the brakes the other day and noticed a little bit of play in the wheel. We'll show you what we got going on. You should get an alignment done after this, but at least this will get us ballpark on the pretty close where we need to be, and we can get back on the road. Okay, so first we're just going to jack the car up. Then we're going to buzz these lug nuts off and show you what we got going back here. So what I want to show you is up and down, pulling towards the car and away from it. Got nothing. But you hear that? Just side to side. That's all the slop. You shouldn't hear that. That's the tie rod end. Up and down is going to usually be a ball joint or maybe even a bearing, but up and down we got nothing. She's all tight. Left to right, a lot of slop. So let's get the wheel off and show you what we got going. We're using our Ryobi impact gun here. Okay, now I got a fresh battery. Let's buzz these off of here. So hopefully you guys can see that, but that's where our problem lies. So we gotta back that nut off there, buzz this off here, and then we'll hit this with a hammer to right here, or tap this with a hammer. That'll usually pop right down. Since I'm struggling to hold the camera here, I'll kind of just bring you back in as I do each step. Okay, so we got this nut back here backed off. And I actually counted the turns, so I turn it one full revolution, just enough to back this off so we can spin this off. And then we're gonna count the revolutions we do here, and we're gonna try and just get as close as we can. We got the wheel straight on the other side, so we get this, we should be pretty close. It's gonna be tough, but like I said, we still need an alignment, but this will get us on the road until we can get the alignment done. So we got that backed off, and then we took our impact and we tried buzzing this off, and usually you can get them to do that. With this being so shot, just spinning in here. Okay, so as usual, it doesn't go as smooth as we want. This here kept spinning on the shaft as they'll get it somewhat loose, so it's pretty sloppy. Tried getting my vice grips on there, tried doing everything you could. So anyway, what I ended up doing is pushing the thing up high enough and taking my angle grinder and cutting the end of the bolt off. So anyway, we got it off. We'll get the new one threaded on there. And then, like I said, we count our turns, get as close as we can. And then the other thing I did, I backed this nut off. Actually, this is probably the easiest way to do it. I backed that nut off one full turn. So what I want to do is I want to take and turn that nut back in one full turn, and then we'll bring that new tie rod end up to that, and we should be pretty dialed in. Okay, guys. So we got that back together. Everything's tight. Our stop nut's tight there. And now let's push on this. Nothing. We're solid again. So when we were going down the road, this rotor was going like this. So can you imagine what that's doing to your tire? And your tires will start cupping and it'll get pretty bad, and let alone just gives you one rough ride. So we're going to throw the wheel back on and take it for a spin and see how it did. Well, folks, we got her all back together, run smooth. Everything's no vibration anymore on the front end. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Anyway, one regular daily driver done. Now we can get on to the fun projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.